special delivery.
Okay guys, today I have on the table here my Crescendo amplifier. So let me show you what's going on here. This Crescendo here I have, guys, on the table. I'll show you some Crescendo audio. This is our 2-channel amplifier. Yeah, it's a 2-channel. That's what I have here, and this says the wattage was what again? Not sure of the wattage, guys. Let me see here. It says Crescendo and this Symphony S550/2. So it's a 2-channel amplifier, guys. So yep, this one come here in protection mode. So on this one of these from drain and source pin, yeah, I was getting like 36 ohms, which is not right. Yep. Come here. Alright guys, sorry about that. My daughter was getting, so my wife wanna borrow my phone and she was making it look like I'm cooking, so I thought the pot was boiling over, guys. Yeah, you know? Yeah. Today is Sunday, so yeah, I'm doing the cooking. So guys, so I was getting, as we were this 36 ohms. Then I realized I cut this out. You know, I was gonna repair it from the, you know, the top before I take it apart, and I said nah, took it out, clip it out and tested it. It's working fine. So eventually I said I'm gonna have to take the amplifier apart, which I did, only to find under here now it was worked on before, and there's a burn trace here leading from this diode that says M7, and these are not the original diode for the circuit anyway, just letting you know. So I look around and I see this ES1D, and I look at the other side, it matches with this side, the same exact. So ES1D diode here, I found out one of them was, oh wow, that broke off, was bad. As you can hear, that's giving me the 36 reading right here. Yeah, right, that's so it's right there, guys. Come on, it broke off. Let me put on top of this resistor, and that's the reading, guys, it's giving me on this diode all the way around. Yep. So we have two of these diodes in what, parallel here. This one is reading fine, but I'm going to replace it. Check my box, I didn't find no ES1D. I found the U1D that's using the let me see, yeah, U1D. These using the, and this is the on brand, the on brand. Yeah, these using the Taramp and stuff like that. So I said, alright, I'm gonna just put these. I'm not even gonna look up any specs because I know, oh wow, these drop. See that? That thing dropped right across the IC. Oh man, that's it. So what I'm going to do, so I have these. Let me show them, guys. I'm not sure you guys are going to see what's going on here with one D, but it's right here, guys. Alright. Okay, so that wasn't. Oh yeah. Okay. Alright. And both of them. Oh, this turn, one turn that way, one turn the other way. Wow. It's a good thing I see that. Wow. I was gonna turn both of them the same way. Wow, my words. That wouldn't be good. So these are the wood. Then this one turn the other way around. The diagram is on the board, guys, so you won't make a mistake. This one turn this way, so the line is on this side. Let me tin in these stuff first, guys. Let's put a little solder and there. Because this is not oh my gosh. Oh. So this was put there to straighten this little lead that bound on the burn trace. Alright, so I hope everything is okay, guys. Show you what happened here. So yeah, that's was it part of the circuit that I just repaired, guys. And you guys can see the way of the diode here. If anybody have one like this and it burn like that, there, you know, definitely see what's going on right there. Sorry guys, my wife needed me to do something just now. Ah man, Sunday morning is not easy, guys. When I'm doing repair, not easy at all. Sunday morning. So I'm going to let me see first. Let me check these output and see if I'm getting any shorts anywhere. Anything giving me any weird readings. All right. Check around, guys, check around the circuit and see if I see any. Why is this not okay? ES1D, these there, so I replace ES1D with U1D. Alright, that's okay right there. And these, funny guys, these have driver chip. Driver, must say driver. Like the Tarap and stuff like that. So this driver is the IRS2957. Wow, just like the one used in the sound digital, yes, and the sound down. Yeah, yep, that's the type they use. IRS2957S. That's nice. That's really nice. crescendo. And I think that would be it for this repair. Just let us see. Let me just do a test, guys, just to see if all is well. Or if I'm jumping the gun, as some people would say. And you know, see how this repair, see what's going on here. Man, that's not it. Wow. Alright. So, okay. I'll give this a little test. I'm not going to. Alright, so let's see now. This is alright, power supply is on. Alright, quick test. Still in protection mode, come out of protection mode. So it does power on, guys. You guys can see out of protection mode now, so everything seems to be okay. If I do a bench test, I'll let you guys know. Well, it seems like that's everything is running cool. So that's it, like, guys, and that's it for this repair and this Crescendo S550-2 meaning 2 channel, and that's it for this view from here. Yes, guys, so if I do a bench test, I'll let you guys. I could do a bench test, like, yeah, I could do one. Now, let me do one real quick, guys. Alright, guys, if I can give you guys a bench test, not too long. Yeah, you guys see that it's on. Comes out, guys. So that will be it for now for this. That's all I'm gonna do for it now, guys. Yeah, no more bench tests like this. These must have to run very hot, run too hot and burnt out if you do that. Do not I said, do not practice doing that. But yes, guys, everything is good, up and running. So Carty&Carty, guys, another successfully repaired amplifier. It's Crescendo, guys. Alright, so that's it for now, guys. Please like, subscribe if you like what you see, and please give me a thumbs up, guys. And thank you guys for watching, really appreciate it, and see you guys in the next one. Okay, Carty&Carty for now. Thank you guys very much. Oh man, guys, I didn't. Alright, one little thing, guys, before you go, that I found out here. These MOSFET is the first I see in this number, which I'm gonna see if I find someone stock them. So this is BN4Z17. Wow, BN4Z17, and this one is BN4Z14. Wow. So yes guys, these MOSFET are different. So that would be, guys, just letting you know.